Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. Okay. Till which sum did I finish in the last class?
By the way, school is finished with this chapter and I haven't understood anything. So,
With quadratic equations, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
When we started, they were on the
Identifying.
practice set. Yeah, no. They were on the practice set. Like,
No, you're muted. I can't hear.
when we started, they were like 2 before the problem set. So, 2 before the problem set is 2.5, right? Yeah. Yeah. So we're on 2.5 now. They're still like they've missed a lot of sums in 2.6. Sixth one they have missed, and the ninth one they have missed, and the 10th one also they have skipped.
From problem set.
No, practice at 2.6.
6.
6, 9, 10.
Okay. We had started with 2.1, right? Exercise 2.1. Yes. I think we did up to question
There
number
are two
3.
problem sets in this. There are two problem sets in this.
Yes. Yes.
We were on question.
Can you see which was the last question did you write in your notebook?
X square minus 9 equals to 13.
Okay,
Yeah,
6.
3 का sixth one. 3 का sixth one. And I did problem set 2 का 1 and 2.
Okay.
And exercise 2 also.
Okay. So we'll start with 2.1 fourth question then.
Yes.
Okay. So in the fourth question, you have to determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of that quadratic equations or not. Now, roots means it has to satisfy. That means after substituting the values, you should get 0. So let's see the first one. The first one, if you see the first quadratic equation is x squared plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. And x squared plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And the two values of x are given 1 and minus 1. So first what we'll do is, we'll substitute x is equal to 1 first and check. So in place of x, you substitute 1. So this becomes 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. So 1 square is 1 plus 4 into 1 is 4 minus 5. Simplify this. 1 plus 4 is 5 and this minus 5 we'll write as it is. And you know 5 minus 5 is 0. Now since you're getting this as 0, we'll say x is equal to 1 is the root of the given quadratic equation. Is the root of the equation. Did you understand this?
Yes. So then you will not go ahead with minus 1.
No, we have to check for both. We have to check for both. Okay, so write this first one.
There can be 2.
What, 2?
There can be 2 roots of the equation.
Yes, there are 2 roots. Every quadratic equation will have 2 roots. We will study that later on. Okay, write this one and I want you to check for minus 1. Okay, you do it for minus 1 and tell me what, are you getting 0 or not? If you're getting 0, you say yes, it is the root. If you're not getting 0, tell me what value you're getting and then say it is not a root.
What would be the square of a negative number?
Square of a negative number is
Positive
always,
square?
yes, it's always positive.
Okay.
Square of a negative number is always positive. So square of -1 will be +1.
Are you seeing it? Hello?
Yes, yes. No, you have done one mistake. See, it is, look at the screen, it is 1 minus 4 minus 5, correct? Okay, now how much is 1 minus 4?
You can do it anyways, no? Because it's minus only. So you can do 5 minus 4 is 1.
No, it
And
is,
1.
this is -4 minus 5. So minus
Oh, yeah.
plus. So it will become 1 minus 9 if you do it that way. And that is -8, which is not equal to 0.
You can see I'm going to sleep. It's nice. All you finished. No, second one I will see.
Yeah.
So you will say that x is equal to -1 is not the root. Okay, x is equal to, write a final line, x is equal to -1 is not the root of the given quadratic equation.
But 1 is right. So you have to write 1 is.
Yes. 1 is, x is equal to 1 is, and x is equal to -1 is not.
How many days would it take to complete this chapter? Because our
Uh,
school has completed this chapter and now it's going to start with a new chapter.
this will take like a lot of time because there are three methods are there, three different methods are there. From
Yeah,
there, the
because
last.
there are many practice sets and two problem sets, so
Hmm.
it's a lot of work.
Yes, yes. But this is the easiest
School
according to
completed this in our school completed this in 2 weeks, 5 days. So 10 days they completed it.
every day you had a maths class.
Yes, every day.
Okay. And
The school had kept algebra every day for this chapter.
okay, okay.
So in 10 days they completed, and mostly all of those sums they don't do. They only do the first sum of each exercise, and
Hmm.
rest we have to do. So that much time is saved.
Yes, saved. Okay, okay. Okay, so in this one, can you do the second one? Can you tell me? See, we have 2 in the second one. So first you substitute m is equal to 2 and show it to me. And
I'll do
check.
2, 5 upon 2, we'll do it.
Sorry, what?
I'll
Huh.
do 2 on my
Yes.
own, then 5 upon 2 you tell.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, not equal to 0. -2 is not equal to 0.
Just show me the cal. Okay, correct. Correct. Let's do it for. Yes, it's correct.
There's a lag in your voice.
Okay, so we'll
I
check
got
it.
-2. How did you get 2?
No, it's -2 only. See, it's -2.
I've written 2. Right?
See?
Oh, okay. That was another.
So now we'll put 5 upon 2 and
Just
check.
one question I have. This is
Yes.
like the thing which we did in the graph. It's
Yes, yes,
similar to that, right?
yes, yes, correct. It's just that in the graph we had linear equations, while here we have quadratic equations. That means degree 2. There degree
Yeah.
1, this is degree 2. Okay, let's substitute 5 upon 2. So 2 upon 5 upon 2 the whole square minus 5 into 5 upon 2. So let's solve it. 2. So this we'll have to square the numerator and denominator. Square of 5, 25. Square of 2, 4. Minus. Again, this will multiply numerator with numerator. So it becomes 25 upon 2. Now here this 2 and this 4 we can cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4.
And
So
5
you,
and 5, why didn't we cancel? In 5, 5 upon 2.
this is so treat both as fractions. So see this numerator with numerator and denominator with
Okay, okay, okay.
denominator.
Yeah.
So this becomes
So then
25.
both of
Both are same. So 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2, which gets cancelled and you get 0. So from here you can say that m is equal to 5 upon 2 is the root of the given equation.
1 second. 5 upon 2. How did you get 25 upon 2?
Multiply, no? Multiply. 5 into 5. This side, right?
Yeah.
Yes, 5
You
into 5.
multiplied 5 into 5, then you did not multiply 5 into 2.
Here, at this part you're saying, why I didn't multiply 5 into 2?
No. I'm saying you multiplied 5 with 2 here, 5 with 5 here, correct? Then why
Yes.
didn't you multiply 5 with 2 also?
No. They are treated as fractions. That was I was saying for you. Treated as fractions. So it is 5 upon 1 into 5 upon 2. So you're multiplying two fractions. So when you're multiplying two fractions, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Wait. What? So if you have something out of the fraction, say 5, and inside the bracket you have 5 upon 2, so you don't multiply it with the denominator and the numerator. You only multiply it to the numerator and keep it like that.
Yes, correct. Yes. So the denominator is treated as 1. And anyways, it will remain the same.
Okay.
Okay. So write it down.
Done.
Okay, let's go to the fifth question. Find k if x is equal to 3 is the root of the given equation. Okay, so in this what they're saying that x is equal to 3 is the root of the equation. That means in this equation, when you substitute x as 3, you will get 0. Okay, that is the meaning of x is equal to 3 is the root of the equation. Keeping that in mind, you have to find what is the value of k. So I'll write the equation. The quadratic equation is kx squared minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. And x is equal to 3 is the root. Okay, x is equal to 3 is the root. So you substitute x is equal to 3 in this equation. So after substituting x is equal to 3, you will get k into, this will be 3 squared minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, here you are not checking. Here it is given. So that is why you take equal to 0. So k into 3 square is 9 minus 10 into 3, 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. K into 9, I'll write it as 9k minus 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here you have to do minus 30 plus 3. How much is minus 30 plus 3?
Minus plus minus, so minus 27.
Correct. Minus 27 is equal to 0. Now take minus 27 on the other side. So you'll have
And k
9k.
equals to 27, so k equals to 3.
Yes, k. So k is equal to 27 divided by 9. That is 3. So k is equal to 3. Clear? Have you understood this?
Yes.
Okay. Only difference in this sum is in this they have said x is equal to 3 is the root. So you take it equal to 0 and then substitute it and solve, simplify it. Write it down.
This is the 5th question, right?
Yes, fifth one.
It's on page number?
Check exercise 2.1. I don't know the page number. Actually, I'm not sitting with the textbook. But this is 2.1 fifth sum.
Page 34. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, it's correct.
You're not screen sharing.
Sorry?
You're not screen sharing.
Oh,
You
I have.
stop screen
I,
sharing. Oh,
I, I,
yeah. You're screen yeah.
okay, let's do the sixth one. Sixth one is the activity. Okay. Do you have your textbook beside you?
Yes.
Okay.
I can't see your screen actually. Your screen is not. It's going in the middle. I don't know. I can't see your screen, but then after some time I can see.
Now, can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay. Just tell me when it disappears. If it goes away, just tell me. Okay. So sixth question is one of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Okay, so one root of this equation is given minus 7 upon 5. You have to complete this activity to find the value of k. Okay, so let's start with the solution. Dash is a root of the quadratic equation. This is given in the question. What will come in the first
Minus
box?
7 upon 5.
Correct. Minus 7 upon 5 is
How
the
is
root.
that box so? Okay, got it.
Minus 7 upon 5 is the root of the given quadratic equation.
Yeah.
Then I put m is equal to dash in the equation. So what should come in the second box? You have to substitute m as something.
Minus 7 upon 5.
Correct. So Substitute m is equal to minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. So in the second box, write minus 7 upon 5.
Everywhere is minus 7 upon 5.
Yes. So here minus, but here in this box, it will be minus 7 upon 5 whole bracket square.
Yeah,
So this
square is given in the textbook. You just have to write minus 7 upon 5.
Okay. Here also minus 7 upon 5. In the next step, you have to square and multiply it.
Minus 49 upon 25.
Yes, correct. So 5 into 49. Did you say minus 49?
Yes, I say minus 49.
What is the square of minus 7?
7.
Square of any
Minus
number?
49.
No, square of a negative number is
Oh,
always
sorry, 49. 49. 49.
49 upon 25. But you can see something is getting cancelled.
5 ones are 5, 5 fives are
Correct.
25.
So you have 49 upon 5.
But then
So
49 and 5 is not divisible. So
no,
how
no,
is it useful?
no. Leave it like that only. In the next step, you will able to do it. So 49 upon 5, write it as it is.
1 second, wait.
And what will come in the second box? It is
Minus 7 upon 5.
you're forgetting the 2.
Oh yeah, you have to multiply 2 with only the numerator, right?
Yes.
So minus
Yes.
14 upon 5.
Correct. Minus 14 upon 5.
All these boxes are really very small.
Yes. So
Looks
now you
really
see you have 49 upon 5 plus minus 14 upon 5. Now in the next step, you just have to put a direct answer, but there is little bit solving to do. So just look at the screen. Okay.
What? The divisor is the denominator is same, right? So how is it?
So you have 49, but you just have to put the answer in that box, but you have to do a little bit solving. So this becomes 49 minus 14 upon 5, correct? How much is 49 minus 14?
55.
Minus 49 minus 14. 49 minus 14. So 5 and 35. And that is divided by 5. How much is 35 divided by 5?
8. 7.
7. So in this box, what will you put?
7 plus k.
7 plus k. And when 7 goes on the other side?
Yes. 0 minus 7.
That is
0
minus 7.
minus 7. But anything. Okay.
I'm perfectly fine.
Just write this working also in somewhere rough. This working
Yeah,
somewhere.
next to it only.
Yes.
Earlier working also, can you show me? The earlier one, how we got 49 upon 5. That.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
wait, that is okay.
I'll still write it here up. If you want, you can do it. So 5 into 49 upon 25. So 5 ones are 5 fives are. That is how you get 49 upon 5. Okay. I think this was the last sum of exercise 2.1. So let's move on to the next concept, which will be needed for the exercise 2.2. So for the next concept is called solution.
Factorization.
Yes. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. Firstly, you should understand what is the meaning of solution.
Just be back.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's first understand what is a solution of a
You're on
quadratic
mute.
equation. Can you hear me now?
You're on mute.
No, I have unmuted. Can you hear?
No.
Can you hear now? No?
Hello, you're on mute. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me now? Can you hear? Can you hear me now? Yes, can you hear me now? I think it's wrong. Can you hear me now? If I went over,
No. I can't see. It means I get that. Not coming.
can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, so the next concept is solution of a quadratic equation by
Wait, you're not
factorization.
screen sharing.
I've
You have to
started
screen share.
the screen share. Can you see now?
You've started?
Yes, I have started.
Yeah, it started for me, but it's blank. So
Can
I
can you
can
see
only
the
see.
can you see the title at least? Solution
No,
of a
like it's loading. It's loading. Blank
okay.
in the sense not. You have not written anything. Yeah, now I can see.
Okay. So solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. Now you know the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation where a, b, c are any integers and a is not
I
equal
have to
to
write
0.
that down.
No, don't write, just understand. Don't write. I'll tell you what to write. Now, note one thing that a quadratic equation will have two
You are
solutions.
writing.
Yes, I'm right. Can you see? I've written.
I can only see your underline the solutions of a quadratic equation by factorization.
Okay, below that also I've written the general form of a quadratic equation.
Yeah, now you wait boy. Now you started writing. You hadn't written it.
I wrote it long back actually. When I was explaining that time I wrote it down. Okay, wait, I'll erase it and I'll rewrite.
Yeah, you now you're writing ABC and then you wrote A is not equal to 2 to 0.
0.
Yeah, you written 2.
So this is a general form of a quadratic equation. Note.
Yes.
Note one thing. I'm writing a note. Note
Well,
a,
you read.
a quadratic. Can you see I'm writing a note?
Oh, you are writing. I thought I have to write. You are not
Yes,
writing.
I am. I think there is a lag. There is a lag.
Yeah, and there is a problem at my side only because I'm
I can't hear you. You're muted. You're muted.
sorry. I'm having this problem since yesterday, I guess. Yesterday or day before yesterday.
Yeah, you may not understand what I'm trying to tell them.
Which date is what you?
Yeah, now I can see note, but
Hmm.
what have you written after note is not coming.
Okay.
Have you written anything?
Yes. A quadratic. I'll read what I have
What have
written.
you?
A quadratic equation has two solutions.
You've written a QE.
Yes, QE is
Okay,
quadratic equation.
understood.
A quadratic
As
equation has two solutions.
as
Two solutions. Two
has
solutions
two
mean
solutions. Yeah, solutions also okay. So is it
now.
that you're writing and then I can see that you're writing?
Yeah, actually I have written it and then there is a lag and you can see it after a long time. That's a problem. That is happening.
But now I can see note of QE has two solutions.
So that I wrote long back when I finished no that time, but you can see it now. So it's just because of the I think connectivity issue.
So what do I do?
You have a class immediately. At 5?
5:15. 5:15. So you can
5:15.
continue till 5:15. Actually, I don't know why you stopped at 5 o'clock. Other teachers, if it's at 5:30, they stop at 5:29 and then they say that you can go.
Okay.
Has two solutions के आगे?
Wait.
You cleared everything over?
Yes, yes,
Because
yes.
it's gone, I can't see.
Yes, I have cleared.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Now, the first method on how to find the solution of a quadratic equation is called as the factorization method. So I'll solve this first question by
You can see the
factorization.
entire sum. The entire sum.
Now,
Practice set 2.2, question 1. Solve the following quadratic equations by factorization. Yeah, now I can see. Yeah, now I can only see I.
okay, I am writing. Just tell me whether you can see. I'm writing now. Can you see I'm writing?
2x minus 15.
Okay, so I think there's no lag
2x
now.
square. Now you did square. 2x square minus 15 plus 54.
There is a lag. There is a lag. So while I explain and write, you will not understand.
If you go slow, if you wait.
Okay, I'll try
Okay,
that
fine, you
also.
continue. Let's see.
I'll try. You see if you're understanding. If you're not understanding, we'll stop then. Better, because it will be problem then. Okay. So the first question is x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. You have to find the solution of this quadratic equation. Note one thing, I'll repeat this again
So
and again.
15x ka you will find the two things.
Yes,
If you
yes,
add or minus, then you will get
correct,
minus 15.
correct. But before that, you have
I don't know anything in this because I cannot form only those two.
yes, but before that, you have to check. So I'll first what you do is it will be better if you find out A, B, and C first. Always, whenever you're solving
A
any
is
quadratic,
1,
yes,
B
A
is
is
minus 15, and C is 54.
yes, correct. A is 1.
Hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. B is minus
Because I got
50.
the message. Network
C
connection.
C is 54. Okay. This always you have to do it. Always write it down when you're working with quadratic equation. Now note one thing. A, you multiply A and C. Okay. You multiply A and C. A is 1. C is 54. How much is 1 into 54? 54 itself.
54.
54. Now,
Akka, you can hear me, no? Because I'm getting
yes,
messages that my network connection is poor.
I can hear you. I can hear you. I'll tell you. If I can't hear you, I'll let you know. Okay. Now this 54, you have to split into two such numbers. Okay, listen carefully. This 54, can you see 54 written on the screen at the right hand side?
1 into 54. I can
Yes.
see.
Now I have written 54 at the right hand side and two arrows.
No, now I can see you've written equals to 54 on the left side.
Okay, there is a lag.
And now you made the triangle. No, not triangle.
54.
Okay, yeah, now I can see 54.
Okay. Now this 54, you have to split into two numbers, into two parts.
The voice is breaking.
I think we'll stop here better.
Can you just repeat what you said? 54 will divide into?
54 we'll have to split, not divide, split. I used the word split. 54 we have to split into two parts, into two numbers, such that after multiplying those two numbers, okay, after multiplying, you get 54, and after adding or subtracting, you should get the middle term. Note one thing, the middle term is minus 15. Okay, middle term is minus 15. So 54, you have to split into two such numbers that after multiplying those two numbers, you should get 54. And after adding or subtracting any one of the thing, you should get the middle term. And in this case, the middle term is minus 15. Okay, did you understand this, what I'm trying to say? What has to be
Yes.
done of 54? Okay. Now, can you think of any two such numbers that after multiplying those two, I should get 54? Just think which two numbers when I multiply, I get 54.
5 nines are. Oh,
Five
sorry.
nine.
6, 6, 6, 6, 9.
6 nines
6
are
nines
correct.
are.
Correct. 6 multiplied by 9. 6 multiplied by 9 is giving you 54. Now, can I do something with 6 and 9 that either by adding 6 or 9 or by
Yeah,
subtracting 6? Okay,
I
so
know, I got it.
yeah,
9 plus 6 equals to
yeah,
15.
yes, 9 plus 6 will give you 15. But one thing to note. What is the sign? What is the sign of the middle term?
So 6 plus minus 9.
But 6 plus
No,
minus 9 will become
then will
minus 2.
become minus. Yeah.
I
So
want
minus
minus
6 plus 9.
minus 6 plus 9 means minus plus, means minus. That means you're going to subtract. So it is 6 minus 9. Sorry, minus 6 plus 9, which will be 2. Sorry, 3. 3. I want minus 15. What if you take both negative, both?
So minus 6 minus 9.
And minus 6 minus 9 will give you minus 15. So you have to take both negative.
Minus minus plus. Achha,
Yes.
okay.
Minus minus plus, but sign of the greater number. So it is minus 15. And minus 6 into minus 9 is plus 54. Did you understand up to here?
So multiplication you should get 54, which is the C, and
Yes.
addition you should get B.
Addition or subtraction, you should get B. Correct. Correct.
Our school did not understand. Our school told us that you should get minus 15 as the answer if you add or minus.
So we got right. We got minus 15. That is B.
One more thing I want to tell you, that circle chapter is there. That teacher has told us that 80, like page 80 to page 85, she's not doing it. 5 pages they have cancelled. They're not
Cancel.
doing 5 pages.
Okay, fine. But when I'm doing circle chapter, just tell me again, okay, that time.
Okay.
Okay. I hope you have made a
And
note of it.
many, yeah. And so many sums they have cancelled from where all, like, throughout the chapter, so many sums they have cancelled.
In
So
circles.
I'll tell you. Yeah, in circle.
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
guess 1/4 of the chapter they have cancelled.
Okay. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, coming back to this sum. Did you understand the splitting technique?
Yes.
So I'll repeat.
So the splitting will become
So that
minus
yes,
6x minus 9x.
yes, correct. So you are getting two new terms here, minus 6 and minus 9.
1 second. This was done in 8th and 9th also, is it?
Yes, correct. In 8th standard, 9th standard also. This is called, this is also called as splitting the middle term.
Your voice is breaking.
I said
This is also called as?
splitting the middle term. This is also called as splitting the middle term. So let's start solving. So you write this x square as it is. Now, instead of the middle term, that is minus 15, you have to write the two new
Minus
terms.
6 minus 9
Minus
plus
6
54.
x. Okay, x up. Don't forget to put x. Minus 6x. Can you see I'm
I
writing
have to
on the screen?
write in the side, besides I have to write.
Yes. Can you see I'm
I have to
writing on
write.
the screen? Yes, you have to.
Achha, I was not writing all this stuff.
Okay, first understand. I'll give you time to write. First understand.
Your voice
Plus-
is breaking.
Plus 54. Can you see I have written on the screen x square
Yes, I can
minus
see
6,
you have written on this.
x square minus 6x minus 9x plus 54. Now after this, you have, look at the screen. After this, you have to do pairing. You pair first two and you pair last two. Can you see the pairing I have done?
Yes, you've underlined.
Yes. Now from the first pair, what can you see common? X square and minus x, 6x, what is common?
X.
So you take x outside. Inside the bracket, here you will be left with 1x minus, and from here, you'll be left with 6. Close the bracket. Is this clear? Taking out common from the first pair?
What?
The next also will be the same only.
Yes. Now
Minus
in the
9, minus, you will take minus x outside.
minus 9, 9. 9 is common.
Oh yeah. So you bring minus 9 and then it will be x and minus 6.
Minus 6, correct. Now you see this
So
bracket.
x minus 9, x minus.
Correct. X minus 9 into x minus 6. Okay, one thing is 1 minute. Just instead of this equal to here, we will have to write it like this. Equal to 0 it was, equal to 0, equal to 0, equal to 0. So from here you can
This was
say,
equal to 0.
yeah. See the question.
Yeah.
It is x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. You have x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So now here you take minus 9 on the other side, you'll have x is equal to 9, or take minus 6 on the other side, you'll have x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 6 is the solution.
Shall I take a screenshot?
No, write it down. Because while writing, you will be able to understand all the steps right now. And if you don't understand, you can ask me immediately. I hope this is clear. Any confusions?
What were you talking about? Label?
Sorry, what?
Label?
No, I didn't say label. I said, if you write it down right now, you will understand. And if you're not understanding any step, then you can ask me straight away.
I think you said you will be able.
Okay.
I'm sorry. You can hear me and see me now.
I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Why?
Your video is off. I can't see.
No. Mine?
Yes.
Can't see me?
No, I can't see you still.
Can you see I'm waving at you? You can see. You can't see?
No. Yes, I can see now. Yeah. Yeah, I can see you now.
Yeah. Why did we do A into C?
That is the step procedure you have to follow. always you have to multiply A into C. Any quadratic equation, whenever you're solving it by factorization method, you have to multiply A into C first, and that will be a third term, which you have to split.
Done.
Okay. I think it's already time up. I would have continued, but I have another class, so I'll stop here. I want you to try this second sum for homework. Only this one. Try it.
X, what will happen of X? What is X?
What is what?
X is 1.
A.
What is X? What is the value of X? What is the
A.
value of X?
A is 1.
A is 1.
B is
B
also
is
1. Also 1. And C is minus 20.
So minus 20 into 1.
Correct.
So
So,
minus.
yes. So you'll have minus 20. Now minus 20 you have to split into two such numbers. Okay, minus 20 or 20. Minus 20 you have to split. So which are the two numbers after multiplying you will get 20? You know this, very easy.
20.
What did you say?
Multiplying.
Yes,
You
multiplying.
will get 20.
Yes, which are the two numbers?
10 and 10.
Okay, 10. No, 10 into 10 is 100.
Oh, sorry, 10 into 2.
10 into 2. Okay.
Sorry.
10 into 2. Okay, good, one thing. But after adding these or after subtracting, I should get B. So try adding 10 plus 2, 12.
L.
Not getting B. Try subtracting 10 minus 2, 8.
B is 1.
Sorry? We need 1. We need 1. So think of some other number.
No, I don't know this. I can't do it.
Yes, you know. I'll give you a hint. 5 times table.
5 4s are 20?
Yes, 5 4s are 20. And if you subtract 5 and 4,
1.
yes, you'll get 1. So you know what numbers to take now.
But
So,
all of my time in the exam will go in only finding out 20. Say, what is the division of 20?
no, that you will get by practice. You will definitely get it by practice. So see, I need minus 20. Look carefully here. I need minus 20. And when you're doing 5 minus 4, you're getting 1. So your two numbers should be 5 and minus 4. Because 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. And
Why
5,
minus 5 into 4 also you can do?
But if you do minus 5 plus 4, you'll get minus 1. But I want plus 1.
Okay, so J then, okay, fine. So
Okay,
then how did we do? Okay, yeah.
So you have to be careful with the signs also. Which sign you want, accordingly give the sign to the numbers. Fine?
Yeah.
So will you do this?
Yeah.
Will you do it?
Yeah, one second.
Yes, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay. So
Okay.
send me the solution of this sum.
And what about my paper?
Yeah, I will send it today by 6-7 o'clock. I'll send it to you.
Okay, and Saturday, Sunday, I'm not free. So I've told Renuka Miss also. So she's kept her this Sunday ka test next Sunday. But I guess next Sunday also I'm not free. So I'll see. So when are you keeping your test? Or you're not keeping it?
I'll tell you accordingly. I'll
Okay, fine.
I'll keep the test on my class days only. That is Tuesday, Wednesday, and
On
Friday.
what thing?
I want to take one more on trigonometry.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so I'll stop. See you on
Okay.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.